It's IBC 2024. We're in Hall 8 on the Broadcast Bionic stand, and I'm joined by Zara from Choppity. Hi, Zara, how you doing?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
Very well. Now, Zara, we often talk to Dan and the team here about their CameraOne solution, which is visualization for radio and camera switching. You've got a quite impressive integration into CameraOne, haven't you?
Yeah, so we're working on integrating our product into CameraOne. Our product is Choppity, and it's basically AI video editing. So once the recording has been made in CameraOne, what you can then do is open it up in Choppity.
Okay, let's have a demo.
Yeah, sure. So I'll show you what happens when you send it through to Choppity.
Okay.
So this was a 3.5 minute long recording, and Choppity has selected 3 clips as being clips of interest that can then be used for social media. It will have transcribed the full upload. Here's like a little title which tells you what's going on in each of the clips. If I click on edit in one of these, it will open it up into Choppity's editor.
Okay.
This is a really simple editor that works basically from the transcript. So on the left here, we've got the full transcript of the original upload. This purple section over here corresponds to this bit down here on the timeline.
Okay.
And what I can do is just drag this to make it longer or shorter. Or I can also drag it down here on the timeline too.
Okay.
Another thing that you'll see that it's done is that it's turned this horizontal video into a vertical video. And it's done that by detecting the faces at each scene cut and then stacking them. And you can really easily move these around or add additional faces. What we've also got is this ability to follow someone. So if I just kind of click through this, you'll see that this person here remains in frame.
Okay.
And yeah, so another thing I just wanted to show you was the ability to templatize. So I've added just this stock logo over here to a template. And what that essentially means is that once I've got all of my styling and branding done and ready, I can add it to a template and then select that template upon upload to Choppity, and then all that will be applied automatically. And it can include things like intro scenes and outro scenes and any other graphics.
Wow. So how will CameraOne users get access to this?
That is still being discussed at the moment with Broadcast Bionics.
So in terms of people using Choppity as a standalone product, which I'm assuming it is,
Yes.
how do people access that, and what sort of functionality do they have?
They can head over to choppity.com and they can create a free account and play around with it and then buy a subscription from us directly.
Okay.
And sorry, what was your second question?
Just how people are using it and what they'd use it for.
Yeah.
And so on.
So at the moment, they're primarily using it to turn long format content into short format content for social media.
Right.
So that's long recordings like podcasts or webinars or stand-up comedy sets or anything, films, into short digestible clips for social media.
Yeah. So it's just literally a case of selecting the text you want and the clip's created.
So it's actually done automatically with AI. And one of the features that we actually have is, I can show this to you here now. It's called Clip Anything. And it basically uses I'm going to see if one has already been opened because, hang on, I think we might have done it on here already. Yeah, so it basically uses visual cues, audio cues, sentiment, and everything that's to do with the video to find what it is that you're looking for.
Okay.
So you can select find the globe image of the Earth,
Right.
and it will find that image for you. I mean, there you go. There's one there,
Okay.
and there's another one here. And you can also get it to find things like the funniest moment or, the most controversial part or, the bit where someone scores a goal. And it works with any kind of content. So we're going to be moving this up in the flow so that when people, including CameraOne users, upload into Choppity, they can type in a couple of find prompts because most people will already know the content that it is that they're looking for. And then it'll automatically find those for them, populate it with all of the assets that are in the template, and then also reframe it into the vertical format.
Amazing. And everything you're doing at Choppity is available now for people to go and try?
Yes, it's all live and available now.
Where can they find the Choppity website?
At choppity.com.